We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask for returns for this, smash that like button, tell me know you watch this video, helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with PROG, and PROG has been in a downtrend since yesterday. Now I want to share with you guys something that's interesting about 42 Vision, and every time it happens it tends to reverse, and right now things are looking like a little bit in the past here in this area of the last few days, and I'm going to explain why, and I'm also going to share with you guys what ultimate 42 Vision is showing. We're going to break it all down here, but before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning that cannot go overlooked. They were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with PROG and everything going on with the days to cover, the short interest, and so forth. The home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and while the S&P 500 index continues to struggle in the red and portfolios sit sideways, I will continue to strive to look for opportunities every single day. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the markets, and you can become part of this as well. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning: KTTA, APVO, and this is how they performed in a matter of minutes and also throughout the day. So KTTA, since I mentioned it in the fours as it was dipping in the pre-market, it started to build strength towards the bell, and after the bell it went up nearly 100%, and after that point it pulled back and jumped up again to a highest point hitting 90% plus, between 90% to 100%. But from when I mentioned it towards the bell, it went up nearly 30% in a matter of minutes. Now APVO gave multiple opportunities of 10 to 20%, 20 to 30% within minutes after the bell and that consolidation and sideways action. And here you have it with ultimate 42 Vision showing that bull indicator and strength towards 42 Vision, giving a highest point of 250% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning and become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with PROG, and PROG was going in a downward trend yesterday. I pulled up ultimate 42 Vision, which we're going to look at again today, and it turned out to show us that there was some weakness coming up. Now, one of the most important things I want you to realize about 42 Vision itself is when these white candlesticks pop up, white with red borders, that means extreme weakness, and usually there is a reversal that comes. So the last time this one popped up on the 30-minute, it hit 395 and it went up towards 515. Okay, that was nearly almost a 50% plus move. Now yesterday in the aftermarket hours, it popped up here on the 30-minute, just one of them, and it went to lows here of 346 and came all the way up towards 473, another nearly 50% plus move. So I want you guys to realize how powerful this is. You can gain access to it by joining the 42 Vision tier level, and the ultimate 42 Vision is the upgrade, which I'm about to pop up, that is coming soon, and you get access to the weekly watch list, daily watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So we look forward to having you join us, and that is something you can maximize on to get on early with us on all these opportunities and home runs that we look for every single day, that we strive to attain and find. So PROG was in a downward trend because of the ultimate 42 Vision indicator sending out that bear indicator since yesterday, and then also the weakness has been pretty evident through the volatility, the ups and downs, it is actually going in a downward direction. The bear indicator popped up on the 30-minute, it has stayed there since. We have not seen a bull indicator pop up, and also this is looking like this trajectory here where it went down, then it went back up and went back down. That's what it's reminding me of, and it's trying to come back up. Now I did go a little bit more down, and then it started to bring itself back up as it did here. It's not guaranteed it's going to do that again, but this is in the middle of a battleground, and it's been in a bearish trajectory since way up here. If I put the 4 hour, it shows us the bigger picture, and you will see that it's been going on since this area up here, right? The weakness started, the bear indicator popped up, it did go a little bit lower, pop back up, and then we're right back down here. So since it's been sent through this volatility, there has not been a bull indicator come up like it did down here, and it is showing moments of strength and weakness throughout. It's been very good to scalp or quickly day trade, but other than that, it's not holding up like we would want it to, or want us to see it go higher because of that squeeze effect. Now, we have seen this go through different phases since way down here of how the squeeze would go ahead and go about, right? It didn't happen overnight, it took time. A lot of investors are anticipating for this to go ahead and squeeze even further. They call themselves not the Prog, but the frogs. Now, it's very interesting that the frogs believe this can go higher because it did get rejected near all-time highs from the last year, okay, near 52-week highs, and it's been falling downwards. So if there's shorts that are still trapped around this area, a lot of them are taking advantage of how low the days to cover is. I've told you guys this in yesterday's video. They go ahead and use this to their advantage. Here it shows 0.29, and here it shows 0.14. Yes, short interest float is nearly almost 20%. That is pretty high, and that's what a lot of people are anticipating to see this go higher because of it. But the issue is the days to cover, guys. They're able to go ahead and cover, make the stock move up like it did here, and then re-short it here and bring it down to this area, creating that effect of euphoria, excitement, fear of missing out, or uncertainty of not catching the dip and trying to catch it before it takes off again. And that's where these bull traps are formed, and they're going to try to continue to make it go like this. That's the trajectory they're trying to make it go towards, and we're really going to know with 42 vision, and especially ultimate 42 vision, if this bear indicator stays here and throughout all this volatility it does not send another bull indicator and it just continues to go up and back down. That's how we know that the bulls are fighting for this and they're trying to bring it back up, but the bears and shorts are using to their advantage how low the days to cover is, and that is why they're so confident and there's such a high short float, because they're going back and forth with it. Another thing too, short shares availability. That means that some covering has happened. When it goes to zero, that means that they're all going back into their short positions. This is another thing to track going into tomorrow and the following days and weeks to see how many times it goes up and down and fluctuates, because then it confirms as well how they're using the days to cover to their advantage. The shorts are taking advantage of the days to cover because it gives them flexibility and it creates this volatility. And if investors actually try to catch it on the way up, thinking it's going to go back up to 6 or higher, and that the squeeze is happening and that they don't want to miss out, that's how these bull traps are forming, and it's super important to be aware of this. Now, what are the key levels to watch? So the key levels to watch is down here at 369 and over here at 344. Those are the lowest points that we've seen way down here since this run up and this pullback. Super important support levels. Now to the upside, super important for this resistance level to be broken through 472, and then up here at 522, which aligns with the resistance levels from up here. And if it gets rejected up there again, that is a key level that the bulls are losing traction and the bears start to put pressure and re-short it right back down and shake out the bulls themselves, right? Because that's the issue there as well when it happens. So super important to be aware of that and pay close attention to how this is reacting in the charts. Now, if you guys want to receive clarity in the charts, the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and home run opportunities, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And also the bear and bull indicator upgrade is coming very soon, but everyone using 42 vision and 42 vision 2.0 are loving it so far. And 2.0 also allows one to see where there's real strength and weakness throughout the charts, guys. You can clearly see there how this all was filled with strength. Weakness began, it tried to jump up, and there's that shift there aligned with the transition of 42 vision and the bear indicator, and it's just been in that downward direction. So through the ups and downs, it allows one to have an empowered approach and clarity in the charts like no other. We look forward to having you join us. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.